1998 Chevy Silverado 1500, 5.7, right? 5.7 liter V8. It's got an aftermarket converter there and there, so they're basically high flow cats there and there. Then it comes true dual from the factory with a flange right there. Then it continues, and what we did on it for you guys is a MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out. They're not directional, so you can flip them around. Part number 12198. There it is. 20 inches long, 14-inch body, 2.5-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet right there, as you guys can see, and then continued it to his original tailpipe. He just wanted the sound. He didn't want duals or nothing. He might bring it back later on. But for now, there it is. So there'll be a link in the description for you guys. As you guys can see, there's the old gigantic muffler that we cut off right there. Dual in, single out. And if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Chevy Silverado. What do you think? Is that exactly what you wanted? It's not too much, just clean. Again? There's sound decibels. Right at 94. He didn't want it loud because he's on the phone. He's a contractor, so he's on the phone a lot. He didn't want it too loud inside either. He wants to hear it when he gives it gas. Much better. Chevy Silverado 1500 with a MAGNAFLOW. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado. There you go. MAGNAFLOW. It's not too much. It's perfect for what you want. I like it. Nice and deep.